Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start with our next chapter in English grammar, that is chapter number 25, making nouns from verbs. In our previous lecture, we did making adjectives from nouns. Fine. Now, in this chapter, we'll make nouns from the verbs given. And there are certain ways to make nouns from the given verbs. How we can make nouns from the given verbs? By adding suffix. Are the suffix? Like adding the suffix er, or, ment, ion, sion, ation, or al at the end of the verbs. It means if verbs are given to us and if we add any of the suffix from these, we can make it a noun. Now, the first way in order to make noun from a verb is by adding the suffix er. Suppose we have advise as verb. Now, if we have to make it a noun, we'll add one r because e is already there at the end. So that it will become advisor, and advisor is a noun. Same way murder, murder is verb and murderer is noun. Believe, believer. Play, player. Buy, buyer. Produce, producer. Like this we have to make nouns from the given verbs by adding the suffix er. Now come to the next way of making a noun from verb is by adding the suffix or. Now the verb, suppose the verb is act. How we can make it a noun? By adding or at the end so that it will become actor. Actor is a noun. Narrate, narrator. Debate, debater. Sail, sailor. Instruct, instructor. Fine. So by adding or also we can make nouns from the given verbs. Now another way to make noun from verb is by adding suffix ment at the end. Like achieve, achievement. Adjust, adjustment. We have just added ment at the end. Advertise, advertisement. Agree, agreement. Like this we can make nouns from the given verbs. Another way is by adding suffix ion. Like act will become action if we add ion at the end, and action is noun. Attract, attraction. Impress, impression. Inspect, inspection. Fine. Now one more way of making noun from this verbs is by adding the suffix ation. Like cancel, if we add lation, it will become cancellation. Here also a change in spellings may be possible in order to make noun from the verbs. Like in this cancellation, here we have added an extra l also. Declare, declaration. Here we have changed this e into a and add tion. Examine, examination. In this case we have also removed this e and added a. Explain, explanation. Here also change in spelling is there. We have cut this I and we have make it explanation. This is also a very common mistake of spelling of explanation. Fine. So note down the correct spelling. explanation is explanation. Explore, exploration. Imagine, imagination, and so on. Fine. Now another way of making noun from verb is by adding the suffix sion or al. Like admit, we can make it admission. Fine. In this case we have removed this t and we have added double sion. So we can note down this, that change in spelling is almost possible in every case. Fine. Bury, burial. Decide, decision. Like this we can make nouns from the given verbs. Now come to the exercise. Exercise A is make nouns from the following verbs. Now in exercise A, certain verbs are given to us and we have to make nouns from the given verbs. Like in first it is discover. Discover is a verb and we have to make noun from it. By adding this y we can make it discovery, and discovery is a noun. Sing, song. Attract, attraction. Produce, production. Enjoy, enjoyment. Imagine, imagination, and so on. Fine. Like this way we can make verbs, nouns from the following verbs. Now come to the next thing. Next exercise, exercise B. Exercise B is complete the following phrases by using nouns formed from the verbs given in bracket. In this case, verbs are given to us and we have to make nouns from these words in order to complete these phrases. Like a heated argument. Argue is verb that is given to us and we have to make it a noun. So argument will be the noun and we can complete this phrase, a heated argument. Similar way, an unfair division. Divide is the verb given to us and we can make it a noun by making it division, so that it will become an unfair division. A prompt decision, and so on. Like this we can make nouns from the given verbs. Fine. Now come to the last exercise of this chapter, exercise C. Exercise C is rewrite the following sentences using the nouns form of the verbs printed in bold. Here the verbs are given to us in bold and we have to convert this verb into a noun. And we can make necessary changes also, like we could not agree on this matter. So what we will write down at, we could not have an agreement on this matter, because the noun for this verb agree will be agreement. And in order to make it a sentence, we have to make necessary changes, like we have to add have an. We could have an agreement on this matter. Similar way, who is directing this film? Here the verb is directing and we have to make noun from this verb. So it will become who is the director of this film, because the noun which we form from this verb is director. Fine. Graham Bell invented the telephone. Invented is verb. We have to make it a noun. So Graham Bell's invention was telephone. You can make the necessary changes in order to make the sentence. Fine. And we have to convert the verb into a noun. In this way you can do this exercise also. It is also very easy. You can take help from the video and try out doing these exercises. And I hope this chapter is also clear to you. Thank you and have a good day.